Hello everybody, welcome back to another how-to tutorial, and today I'm going to teach you how to upload digital products in Shopify. So I'm going to teach you how to do that, but first we do need to install an application on Shopify itself, but don't worry, I'm going to guide you step by step. So you go to apps right here, then go to app sales and channel settings right here, then go to Shopify App Store. Then you're just going to look up for digital downloads. As you see here, you're just going to click this one. So really easy. Then you're going to install it. Then after you've done that, you're gonna go here on your Shopify dashboard. You're gonna go to products right here. Then you're gonna press add product. And our digital today is gonna be a Word file for cookbook. Let's say I have a cookbook, but it's on PDF and I do want to sell it. So we're gonna add our paragraph here. Make sure it's really interesting. But for the sake of the video, I'm just gonna say really cool cookbook for cooking, desserts, and other cuisines. Okay. Then after that, you're gonna add your sample media. You're gonna put like one recipe or two recipe here. That's gonna be your sample in your media. Then after that, your category is gonna be ebooks. Then after that, your inventory. You're not gonna track anything because it is a digital product, and you're gonna uncheck this because this is not a physical product. Then after that, you can add variants if you like. If there's a specific cookbook for a um specific cuisines or desserts, or if it's an appetizer cookbook, that's pretty cool too. So after that, you're gonna add like midfields like genre to your store. Let's say genre, target audience, or like language version, something like that. So language version is gonna be English, ENG, just English. There we go. Then genre, cook, guide. That's fine. Some guides here or books. Let's find any genre here. Fantasy. There we go. Food and cooking. So that is our genre here. Then after that, you're gonna put your product type, vendor, your store, collection, then tags. Then if you have a template, use that. Then you're gonna put your pricing here. So let's say 111, I guess. Then after that, we're going to save our product here. But we're not done yet, because after that, we're going to press more action, add digital file. So this is the digital file you're going to sell. After you press that, and we're going to put like, I guess, Riz, as you see here, we're going to put Riz.docs. Then we're going to save. Then as you can see here, I'm just going to view my cookbook here. And yeah, there we go, guys. You have the digital product here on more actions. Then you have all of the needed things to fill up. It's okay, it's good. So my tips for you guys is, remember to install the digital downloads, because that is gonna be really important, because it's not really built in on Shopify, but it's really important if you are gonna sell digital products, because that will put your product on a paywall. So before your customer gets the email or the digital product you're selling, they need to pay it first, then they're going to get that. Then my other tip is have a really attractive description and media and title and other stuff like that, and also fill up this properly, all of these things that you need to fill up right here. And second is advertise your products. Of course, you can advertise your products on social media. I mean, I don't know if TikTok's gonna be around, but advertise it on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or also known as X, and YouTube. And people will buy it because you will advertise it and make the advertisement really good. And yeah, guys, that's my tutorial for today. That's how you can upload digital products on Shopify. If you like that video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and turn on notification. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.